When you crack your neck, it forces your joints to move.
Man, it does feel great to be able to pop your neck once in a while. But you really want to know what really feels great? Man, it feels great to be able to follow Christ, to be able to live a godly life, to be saved by the grace of God, to seek salvation every day. It feels really great. I'm telling you, there's nothing like it. And I will encourage you to give your life to Christ, because trust me, my friend, you'll never be the same.